A-Contact Electric Rentals continues growing and expanding, delivering big power solutions for our customers. Like this 4160-volt, 1,500 horsepower VFD unit built to handle even the largest compressor motor in a variety of industrial applications, like paper mills or mining operations. This unit is housed in a 20-foot container, has easy opening doors, and comes with forklift pockets for easy, safe loading and offloading. Inside, you'll find ample lighting, 2 duplex GFCI receptacles, and a 5 and a 3-ton air conditioner to ensure maximum cooling in high ambient conditions. The line power into the VFD comes into a common bus that's fitted with 2 5 kV 200 amp usable switches. Switch 1 provides disconnection to the VFD, and Switch 2 disconnects the AC support and lighting transformers. The VFD input is set for 4160 volts AC 60 Hertz with 480 volts external control power and 120 volts internal control power. The VFD output is 4160 volts with a variable frequency of up to 125%. Nominal frequency is 60 Hertz with capabilities of 75 Hertz. This top Toshiba-built VFD can handle your most demanding compressor motor needs, running either constant or variable torque at an overload capacity of 150% for 60 seconds. This unit can also run with sensorless control, which needs no encoder, or sensor speed control with an encoder. Motor RPM can easily be controlled with an external 0 to plus or minus 10 volts DC signal, a 4 to 20 milliamp input, or you can have direct potentiometer control from the keypad. The drive uses an 18-pulse rectifier with a common configuration and an isolation transformer with less than 3% harmonics distortion. And the drive also features monitor, trip, and alarm light functions for motor temperatures up to 14 RTDs. This tough, clean Toshiba 4160 VFD unit is job ready and available to ship today. For rental information, simply call 888-655-0040 or click www.acontact.com. Power your business and maximize your profits with A-Contact today.